Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get your Google account security code. Whether you need two-factor authentication, account recovery, or secure sign-ins, we will walk you through it step by step. Open any Google app on your device or in your browser. You can use Google Maps, Gmail, or simply go to google.com. Once you're at google.com, click the small profile icon in the upper right corner. Once you click that, a menu will appear with several options. From there, click Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google account page. Here, you will see tabs like Personal Info, Security, Passwords, Connected Apps, and more. To find your security code, go to the Security section. Once you are there, scroll down a little and look for two-step verification. You will be asked to confirm your password. Enter your password, and from here, you can find your security code. If you set up passkeys or turn on two-step verification, your security code will be available in your Google account. Just click the option and follow the steps on screen. This covers the main ways Google security codes work, including text messages, authenticator apps, backup codes, and Google prompts. We hope this helped you find your Google account security code.